We see it happening in cities and towns all over America. As we witness the change in the frequency and intensity of severe weather, we're faced with a challenge to enhance the level of our own personal preparedness for times when storms become intense and cause damage to our property and put our health and safety at risk. By taking action in our individual households, our neighborhoods and communities become stronger. Researchers at the University of Rhode Island have created a new approach, one that meets you where you are in your own personal stage of preparedness, and then provides resources and encouragement over a period of several months to help you move toward the goal of being more prepared.
Having a program that would take people who are at risk, which is pretty much everyone these days, through those little steps that would allow them to become ready to help themselves and others in an emergency. This is going to be critical in a world that's dealing with increased climate extremes. There are things that you can do. As an individual, you can learn more. You can make a plan. You can have a kit ready for those times that you may need to rescue yourself and others in your community.
The online program we've developed is simple to use, and it's based on a behavior change model that is designed specifically for people at any stage of preparedness. The program provides individually tailored messages to you based on the answers you provide in an online, brief initial assessment. During the time between assessments, you are provided information, resources, and encouragement delivered in an online coaching format. Another good thing about the program is that it's so easy to use. You only receive what will actually be effective in moving you forward to become more prepared. People who have used the program in the past said the following. 93% found the program easy to use. 92% said the personal feedback they received was easy to understand, and over 80% would recommend the program to others, enjoyed using it, and also felt it could help them make changes and be more prepared. After all, being safe and strengthening your home doesn't have to cost a fortune. Click on the link below to get started today.